Morning, guys. December 16th, 2024. This is where I got a call from a guy. I've worked for him in the past, done some stuff for him. I've worked on his Burnham in the past. And last time I was there, he needed an oil tank, and I told him, I gave him a price, and I guess he had someone else do the oil tank. And now he's calling me in regards to talk to him on the phone. He said his wife heard a bad bang. She thought that the door slammed, and he went down by the boiler, and the back panel fell off the boiler. So it sounded like it's getting a delayed ignition, and somehow the back panel of the boiler flew off. So that doesn't sound good.
1/4 mile. Turn right on Tarkill Hill Road.
Anyway, we're gonna go over there and see what's going on. It might be that the, sometimes the back of the boiler, the firewall is all deteriorated. You know, the flame could go through the back of the boiler. I mean, it's possible. And the back firewall might have a hole in it. I don't know. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and find out why the panel fell off. Seems a little odd. Unless the screws rotted away and the panel fell off. I mean, it still got heat, so it's not like it tripped out on safety. Burnham might need service. The nozzle might be dirty and not firing all right away. It might be getting a delayed ignition. I don't know. We'll be able to find out when we get there. He said there's water around the boiler too, but that doesn't mean anything. And these fucking old boilers all need to be changed. Nobody wants to spend the money. Nobody wants to spend the money, Molly. Anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can find out what the hell's going on with this cat. The side panel had fell off. Let's clean out the door. New tank. Oh yeah, so it needs a cleaning. A year and a half. Didn't trip out on safety. Not too bad. Didn't look bad. Might not even have been delayed ignition. Might have just been something else. While I'm here, I'm going to do the service on it, nozzle on it. The filter, we just had the tank done. Filter should be fine. Let me get this plate nice and shiny. bend these electrodes down a little bit, get a little bit more. The transformer's been changed last time I was here. Give it a little tweak. Just a little tweak. Nozzle. And 75, 70. And 75-80 is good too. The humidifier don't sound too good. Give it a little bit more. A little bit more. How you doing? I want to check the oil flow coming out of the pump. Make sure we get a good oil flow. I don't think you got a delayed ignition on this thing, to be honest with you, because it would have tripped the safety. It didn't. Alright, we'll make sure we get the oil flow. This is an overhead line now, so. It won't take long for this shit to get hot, I'll tell you. Once we start it up, we'll jump out FF here. And we could open that up. Once we start it up, we'll open to see what we'll get for flow here. Getting a good oil flow, a little bit of air there. See that air? That could be what our problem is right there. Jump out FF. I gotta get a good oil flow. The FF jumped out. Definitely got a little. Had some air in there. I started it, I jumped So that's to keep it running. 170, that's where it was before. Starting it again. New nozzle, clean burner head, reset electrodes, bled oil line, good oil flow. This panel wasn't on there right, that's why it fell off. Coincidentally, I think.